Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Mint mobile number service. Fix Mint mobile number service after activation. Fix 1. Reboot your phone. This is simple yet effective way to address common issues with your device connectivity. Restarting your phone can help reset network connections and resolve temporary glitches. iOS, slide the power off slider to the right to turn off your device. Wait for a few seconds, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. For Android, press and hold the power button until you see the power options menu. Fix 2. Check your map coverage. Verify your signal strength by referring to the coverage map, especially if you are in a rural area or indoors where signal reception may be weak. To check the coverage, visit Mint mobile coverage site. Input your location where the coverage available area are marked as green. Fix 3. Remove and reinsert your Mint mobile SIM card. Reinserting the physical SIM card can re-register your phone on the mobile network, potentially resolving the issues with data connection, text message, and calling. Turn off your phone. Locate the small hole on your phone for the SIM card ejection tool. Insert the ejection tool that comes with your phone or SIM card. Firmly but gently push until the tray pops out. Remove the SIM and reinsert the SIM. Gently push the tray back into the phone slot. Turn your phone back on. Fix 4. Update the APN settings manually. For iOS device, go to Settings, then Cellular Data, and enable LTE. Add the APN with the following details. Leave the remaining fields blank and restart your phone. For Android, go to Settings, then Internet and Connection, then Mobile Network, then Access Point Name. Tap on the three-dot menu at the right top corner. Select Add and enter the following details. Leave the remaining fields blank and restart your phone. Fix 5. Contact Mint Mobile's customer support. If you continue to experience issues, contact Mint Mobile customer support for further assistance. They can be reached by the phone or through live chat on the Mint Mobile website. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.